I'm excited to share with you all our newest listing right here in the heart of Doral at 10016 Northwest 41st Street, Unit 33. This is a 2-bedroom, 2.5-bathroom townhome in the AMBERWOOD condo community. Having 1,392 square feet under AC, it's super spacious. The bedrooms upstairs are like their own private master bedrooms because they have their own bathrooms inside. And you get a nice backyard in the back with extra storage space. This property is going to be listed this week for $430,000 and it's going to sell fast because it's at one of the best priced condos in all of Doral. You are right in the heart of Doral, in front of LA Fitness, Publix Plaza, Meat Club, and many other retail stores and supermarkets. If you want to know how you can schedule your private tour today, all you got to do is send me a message at 305-439-6211. My name is Bryan Roach, your real estate agent here in Miami, Florida. Let's get a sneak peek of the inside of this beautiful property.